Today we're talking about ways that we can save on maintenance costs, reducing those costs. Now when we look at this, most owners are looking at ways to save on parts, to get supplies a little bit cheaper. And it's true that you can do a lot of things there to help save on those costs. There's a few other things I want to talk about today. One is the old adage, a stitch in time saves nine. So often when it comes to maintenance costs, we tend to defer. And in my experience, a problem deferred is a problem magnified. So we need to find ways where we can be a little bit more proactive, where we can look ahead, we can look for items that might be degrading, that might be wearing out. One of the best ways we've found to do this is the biannual inspection process. Now what this means is we schedule with the tenant, we let them know up front that we're going to be coming in twice a year just to do this biannual inspection. And where the unit is going to be occupied, that means we need to get their consent and meet with them and come in, and then we have an inspector that goes through and just takes a look at the unit to see what's in good repair, what might need a little attention. It's a much better way of taking care of a problem now and being proactive about it than waiting until it becomes a problem and being reactive and fixing it at that point. This can be particularly effective when it comes to things like appliances that can be a problem for themselves, but something like a leaky dishwasher that can cause a flood disaster and ruin a bunch of flooring and lead to other problems as well. So biannual inspection process is just a great way to find little ways to be proactive and reduce those maintenance costs.